All right, because we're learning a bit about opposites, I'm going to teach you a little song that you can try and sing along. And then I want you to try and sing your own. And if you are able to do that, then you can maybe send a little video of you singing your song to me. So we're going to have big and little, big and little. What is the opposite of big? Big and little, big and little. The opposite of big is little. Now we have hard and soft. So we're going to have hard and soft, hard and soft. What is the opposite of hard? Hard and soft, hard and soft. The opposite of hard is soft. Then we have hot and cold, hot and cold, hot and cold. What is the opposite of hot? Hot and cold, hot and cold. The opposite of hot is cold. And then we have high and low. High and low, high and low. What is the opposite of high? High and low, high and low. The opposite of high is low. Can you think of one for yourself? I'm going to try another one. Mine is going to be wet and dry. Wet and dry, wet and dry. What is the opposite of wet? Wet and dry, wet and dry. The opposite of wet is dry. Okay, I want you to think of something that you can sing about, and if you can try and sing the song, make a little video and send it to me and upload it on Class Dojo. Okay, bye! Okay, let's look at our activity book for this week. And we've been doing Lizzie Locks. And remember, when you do these kind of things, you can always use your learner's book and have it handy to help you with sentences. So you're going to be looking at the 3 sets of pictures, and they have stories in them. And you're going to try and think of an interesting or exciting ending for each. Write what happens next. Add a picture and write a sentence. So we've got a little guy putting on boots, and there he's putting on his raincoat, his rain hat, and he goes outside and it's raining. What do you think is going to happen next? And please write a sentence. Remember, Mr. Duck says capital letters and full stops. Next up we have the story. There's people in a car, they get out the car, they land up going to the beach, they see a whale. What do you think is going to happen next? Next we have a little girl, and she's busy baking something. She's making cookies. Her mom helps her put it into the oven. What do you think is going to happen next? And you're going to write a sentence. You can ask mom and dad to help you with that. Okay. Next up is predicting the story. First up, we're going to join the opposites and write the words. We have big, little, hard, soft, hot, cold, high, and low. Okay, so you're going to find which one goes where. So first you're going to write the words, and then you're going to write the opposite. So here we can see it's hard, and this one's soft. This one's high and low. We have short and tall, and we have hot and cold. Now you're going to choose and write your own opposites. Okay, right there, make your own opposites. All right, then we're going to look at these books, and we're going to talk about what is a good title for each book. Write the title. Another word for title is a name. So what can you see in the story? There's 3 ducks. What name can you give it? There we have a king and the cat. Cat and his king. You can write something there. There we have a sunflower, and over here we have a bear and a cat, it looks like. I'm not so sure what that is. Is that a bear and a cat? I think so. The bear and the cat. So you're going to write titles or names for each of those. Okay, our new wave spelling. Today is a little bit different. So I'm actually going to show you mums and dads how you can use the book. So this tells you what to say and how to use it. So if you look on the first page, it will tell you this. This is test and dictation. So you can check and help tick if you'd like to test if they can, if they know how to write it and if they know how to say it back to you. So the test would be if they are able to cover it and write it, then you can give them a tick. And if they're able to spell it out, then you can give them a tick for dictation. But you absolutely do not have to do that. That's just for if you have the time to do that. Okay, so we're going to go to our page, and unit 1 is where we start. We have can, man, ran, fan, and pan. You need to match these words to the pictures. Then you're going to look at the words below, say each word slowly, and underline the pattern. And then you're going to find out what the pattern is. It means it has 2 letters in it. You're going to write them there. Over here, you're going to look. Then you're going to say can. Then you're going to write can here. Then we're going to cover it. And we're going to write one more time and check. That's where you can use to check. Can, man, ran, fan, pan. And okay, next up, we're going to circle the and words. See how many and words you can find over here. Then we have the picture, and you have to circle the correct word. We have can, man, pan. Which one is the right word? We have ran, man, fan. Choose the right word. Ran, fan, can. Which one is the right one? Then we have pan, man, and fan. Choose the right one. And can, pan, ran. Right, here you're just going to be practicing writing the words. So we have ran, and you're going to keep writing them all the way there till you write it by yourself. Same for pan, same for man, and same for fan. Next up, you need to look at all these words on these pages and decide which word could fit in here. Remember, some letters are tall, some are small, and some fall. Which letter falls? Which letter is tall? So you need to look at those. All right. Okay, we're talking about our final E sound. So with that final E sound, it can often make our vowel sound longer. So if we put the missing A sound here, k, ache, it makes it a long A. Okay, tube makes alongside U. Makes a long I sound. So we have cake, tube, price. Then we have smoke, it makes a long O sound. We have pipe, long I. Snake is long A. Cone, long O. Shade is long A. Hole is long O. Rope is also long O. Gate is long A. Kite is long I. Tune is long U. Note is long O. Main is long long A. Wine is long I. 5 is also long I. And mule is long U. So with the E sound, it makes these vowel sounds longer. So we say it in the long way. We don't just say rack, we say rake. Hope, white, slope, bite, make, cope, shake, and write. Cube, tube. When you say those words, it makes it a bit of a long sound. Okay. Over here, you need to find which one has the ache sounds, like cake. Find over there and write. I think you should have 1, 2, 3 words for each one. Then we have it sound, just our long I sound. We have ope, which is our long O sound. Then we have ube, which is our long U sound. So please write that.